Hey guys, what is up? Viewer request on Wells Fargo, stock ticker WFC. Here we go, just a quick video. I made notes, so I'm going to talk about it right now. Wells Fargo, the fourth largest bank in the United States when we are looking at market cap, and their market cap per Yahoo Finance and other websites, I'm going to say ranges between $220 billion to $240 billion, depending on where the stock looks at, or the stock ends the day. So if we're looking at market cap, what is the number one bank in the United States, and what is a large bank in the realm of banks in this world of ours is JP Chase. So let's look at their long-term debt and per macro trends. Their long-term debt as of September 30th, 2019 is a whopping $241 billion. That's a lot, since their market cap is about $240 billion. So if those numbers are correct, if their long-term debt and their market cap, basically what they're worth, are the same, that's kind of interesting. But again, they are the fourth largest bank in the United States, with Citibank, Bank of America, and JP Chase running at the number one spot. So what made them the fourth largest? Well, the crash. So let's go back, beginning in 1997, start talking about mergers and acquisitions to 2009. So just a quick crash course with this picture up right now. Here we go. So post-crash, so basically 2009, Wells Fargo stood with basically three other banks, like I mentioned: Citi, Bank of America, and JP Chase, as the main banks left over, with the last acquisition merger of Wachovia. So let's talk about their dividend and what they're closing at today. Today is the day before Halloween 2019, so October 30th, 2019. Wells Fargo, again stock ticker WFC, is closing about $52. They pay a dividend at 3.95%. That basically equates to a $2.04 annualized payout. So if you own a stock, they annualized payout of $2.04. Their payout ratio is great. It's under 50%, as you know that I like that, at 44.70, and they have a 7-year growth. This is all per dividend.com. Let me try to get that sun glare out of my face. Hold on for a sec, guys. So if I were to invest, I want to see also who's investing. So Mr. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway himself, is investing. This is, I think, one of his top five, in his top five portfolios. He has 410 million shares. Holy moly, equating to about 19 to 20 billion dollars worth. That's crazy. That's awesome. So what are my thoughts? My thoughts on this. Well, people don't forget. So about a couple years ago, they had that big scandal where they opened up about 2 million fake accounts just to meet numbers. Their higher ups were pushing their lower employees to sell or to open up accounts or to create accounts, create credit cards and this and that, and they got caught. People don't forget that. A big portion of their revenue is home mortgages and loans. With a possible recession coming, do I think this is a growing thing? No, I don't. With the economy not doing well, or possibly not doing well in the future, I don't think this will be a growth for them. I like to invest in the top two within a field of investing. So if I'm going to invest in pop or soda, I invest in Coke and Pepsi. If I invest in whatever it may be, I invest in the top two. Wells Fargo is not in the top two. They're in the top 4 of U.S. banks. So, let me give this a thought. So my thoughts is, if I had limited amount of funds, no, I wouldn't. I would rather buy a JP Morgan. I'd rather buy a Berkshire Hathaway. I'd rather buy a Disney stock. I'd even rather buy a Bank of America. So even though they're probably turning themselves around, even though they're probably not making the same mistakes as they did before, that they were caught by the government, I right now, with the oncoming possible recession and or better stocks to invest in, I'd rather invest in something else. So that's my take on Wells Fargo. Hope all's good. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.